It's Sin, and I'm back again with another video. And if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, squad, and to anybody that's watching for the first time, welcome. And today I am visiting with one of my friends who is a tax professional, and I'm here to get her to answer a lot of the questions that y'all been giving me. I'm not a tax person, so who better to get your answers from than a person who is actually a professional. Alright, y'all, like I was telling y'all, this is my friend Tomiko, and we're going to give her a bunch of questions to answer today, because y'all been having some problems trying to get y'all business started and stuff. Okay, so first off, I want you to tell me who you are and a little bit about your business.
Okay, hi, I am Tomiko Lakin. My business is Tomiko's Financial Services. I've been in business for 20 years, well, 20 plus years actually. However, the first maybe 10 years I wasn't inside of an office. So however, I specialize basically in taxes, personal taxes, business taxes, partnerships, corporation taxes. It doesn't matter what it is, we can do it over here. And also we do business coaching, business startup, and business planning. We also offer just services just to help you have a solid foundation with your business. Like I said, whatever you need basically concerning your business, we can help you.
First off, you know, with the pandemic and everything, a lot of people have been starting side hustles and trying to find ways to make extra money. So with the side hustles, they just been doing the stuff on the side just to make some extra money. So what are some reasons that you should legalize your business?
First of all, it's very important to legalize your business. The number one reason it is first of all, if you would have an opportunity to get contracts with other major companies, the first thing they want to know is how your business is stabilized. Whether it's a sole proprietorship, whether it's an LLC, it's very important to have all your paperwork together, because number one, if any grants become available, and there's a lot of grants that's out right now, if any EIDL loans, all of that stuff, it's so much easier to get it if you're a legitimate business. You can just say, I do this, but say it's just coming out your mouth. If you have the documents, the legal documents to go with it, you basically can get whatever is available to you. So it's always good. All the hard work, all the sweat that you put in, it's basically always good to have a solid foundation, because when you have a solid foundation, anything that's offered to you, anything that's available, even contracts with major companies, you cannot get it, your business cannot grow basically without having it legalized. So it is very important to legalize. I don't care if you're selling candy apples. Legalize your business. Whatever you're doing, legalize it.
Okay, if somebody wanted to legalize their business, what are some of the things they would need to do in order for, to get everything legalized?
Well, you have to go through your Secretary of State, wherever you are. Every state has a Secretary of State, and they have a business department, they have a tax department. You go to the Secretary of State and you find out what are the rules and what are the guidelines. That's your very first step. The first step is to reserve your name with the state. A lot of people think the first step is getting the EIN number with the federal, but actually it's not, because once you do that, if you then go to the Secretary of State and you find out your name is already taken by someone in that state, you would have to change your name and start over again. So basically it's working backwards. So the first step is always to get your name legalized with the Secretary of State. Once you reserve your name, different states have different rules, but either it'll be reserved for 30 days or it could be reserved to up to a year. But that's your very first step, is to reserve your name. Then after that, you will go to the IRS and you apply for EIN, and you will pick the way that you want your business set up, whether you want it to be an LLC, whether you want it to be a sole proprietorship, whether you want it to be a corporation or a partnership, or S Corp. It's 7 different entities, but however you want your business set up, that's when you will make your final decision on which way you want your business to be established.
Okay, we're in hard times right now, which is one of the reasons everybody is getting a side hustle. So is it expensive to legalize your business?
Well, it's not expensive, but the rate's determined by the state that you live in. For example, Louisiana, the filing fee is $80 to register your business, and to reserve your name is $30, and the EIN is free. So basically, to do it yourself, you can probably get it done under $300, depending on your state. I know the California, New York rates, they're a lot more expensive. It depends on where you are, but I would say just a ballpark figure under $300, you can get your business registered.
And I'm going to tell you from experience, it is very worth getting everything legal. You know, even in times like now with the pandemic and the government is offering help, but if you're not a legal business, you won't be able to get help for your business.
You can't. And, you know, the government will say that they will help you if you're a sole proprietorship, but they give you so much red tape, so much running around. You have to fax this, you have to send that in just to prove who you are. And if you already would have all of that established, you don't have to prove anything because you have the legal documents to prove exactly who you say you are. You have your tax records to prove who you say you are. You know, so basically, it's almost like a birth certificate to say that you're an American, you're a citizen. Once you have your papers to legalize your business.
Do you have any other tips that would be helpful to someone starting a new business?
My main tip would be, it's almost a little bit outside of this, but to stay focused. Don't be overwhelmed about getting your business legalized. It's not as hard as it sounds. We offer the service here at TFS. If not, there's several YouTube videos, just different things that you can do to legalize your business. So don't be overwhelmed by it. Don't think it's hard. You may have the talent to actually do your business, but however, you have to have it legalized. So that is my tip, to make sure your business is legalized.
Okay, well, I appreciate you helping me out by answering all these questions that people have been giving me. And if y'all need help, y'all can actually contact her. I'm going to let her tell you all her information, and I will leave links down below this video just in case y'all don't have a pen where you can write. All you got to do is click. But you can go ahead and let them know where they can find you.
Okay, you can. My phone number is 318-431-1042. Also, I'm on Facebook at Tomiko Financial Services. Also, Instagram at TFS Instagram. Also, my website is www.tomikos, that's TOMIKOS.com. We're very friendly here, very down to earth, as you can see. Give us a call anytime, and we'll be able to help you. Whatever the problem is, we can get it done. So even if you get stuck and you're trying to do it yourself, you know, give us a call. Let us be able to help you and work something out.
All right, squad, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you got a lot from this. I know I learned a couple of extra things today that I didn't know myself. If you got something out of this video, y'all make sure that you hit that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribed if you're not. And also, you can check Tomiko out. We're going to put all her information down below because she's going to have videos coming for y'all soon. You know, just in case you're needing help in any financial, tax, business area. But I will see you guys in another video. Prince Squad out.